Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to crop a video using the Freehand Crop Tool inside of Clipchamp. So I've got a clip loaded into my timeline here, and let's say I want to cut this video, make it a bit slimmer, and use it as for another background clip. How I would go about this is by making sure the clip is selected by clicking on it in the timeline. You'll know it's selected when there's a border that appears around the clip. So now that it's selected, a new menu pops up here at the top. You can see the first option is called crop, and then the second option is for the scaling of the image or video. So if you click on this, you can change the scaling properties. Now it's set to fill, with making sure everything in the screen is covered, or you can set it to fit. That way it fits as much of the image as it can inside of the aspect ratio. So what I want to do is I want to crop the image a little. That way we can add some black bars and make it a little bit more cinematic. So to do so, I'm going to click on the crop tool, and this just enables the freehand crop UI or interface. And now with this open, we can drag the sides to crop it. So in this case, I'm going to be dragging the top portion and the lower portion. And now we can also reposition it by clicking and holding in the center and moving our mouse around to reposition it. That way we get the nice kind of framing that we would like. This looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to click on OK, and I'm just going to make sure it's aligned with the center. So now the black bars give the video an ultra wide perspective and makes it feel a little more cinematic. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.